Qonto. It's more than just a name you hear in the fintech world. It's a movement. But what exactly is the driving force, the core purpose behind it? Simply put, Qonto's mission is to be the all-in-one financial solution for SMEs and freelancers across Europe. They are here to simplify and elevate business finance. Think about the traditional banking experience for a small business. Paperwork. Complexity. Sluggish service. Qonto was born out of the frustration with that status quo. The founders saw a clear need. Entrepreneurs deserve financial tools that are as fast, intuitive, and modern as the businesses they are building. Their mission boils down to three core pillars. 1. Simplicity ***, making complex financial operations easy. Opening an account in minutes, managing expenses instantly, and automating bookkeeping. Less friction, more focus. 2. Empowerment ***, giving entrepreneurs and their teams more control and visibility. Smart dashboards, custom spending limits for team cards, and real-time transaction tracking. 3. Growth ***, providing the tools businesses need to scale. Not just a bank account, but an ecosystem that integrates with their existing software, saves them time, and ultimately, saves them money. Qonto is actively building a business banking platform that is invisible when it needs to be, and powerfully effective when you call on it. It's about letting a flower shop owner focus on perfect bouquets, a software developer on clean code, and a freelancer on their next big project, knowing their finances are handled with precision and care. Qonto's ultimate goal isn't just to be a better bank. It's to be the finance partner that fuels the success and ambition of the entire European SME economy. That's the mission. And that mission is shaping the future of business finance, one seamless transaction at a time.